The perfect fried rice. Can something like that even exist?
So let's make the perfect egg fried rice of Nick DiGiovanni.
It's time to get cooking.
It's time to let it cook.
Yes, I understand that this right here might be the biggest wok you've ever seen.
This might be the weirdest wok you have ever seen.
Hiya!
It's okay until it works.
To start, we'll go heat on.
To start, here we go, heat on.
Season our entire wok with some pork fat.
I'm using oil because I am a rare person who never ate pork and a non-Muslim.
Like this. Next, I'm gonna go into a bowl with 3 egg yolks and 2 additional eggs.
So I'm using one of plain boiled white egg.
Those of you watching better master the one-handed egg crack.
I wanted to learn one hand crack. If you are interested in me failing one hand crack, comment down.
Now we'll whisk these up with some chopsticks, making sure that they're nice and fully
I don't know how to use chopsticks, so I'm using my baby fork.
provide not only more color in the fried rice, but also more fat. And who doesn't love fat?
As a person who can never know the taste of fat, I completely agree.
Season as I go, hitting it with just a little bit of white pepper.
Little bit of black pepper.
And then into our wok we go.
Into our so-called wok, eggs go in.
Just watch as that beautiful egg puffs up.
Watching my handsome egg puffs up like Powerpuff Girls.
My goal now is going to be to keep it nice and fluffy while also breaking it up into little bits that will spread throughout the fried rice.
Keeping my eggs nice and fluffy and making into little bits.
Now that the egg is all set, I'm going to go in with some chili or pepper, whatever you have.
I only have chili, so I'm gonna add chili.
And then a nice bit of my minced garlic. Now,
A nice amount of hand-chopped garlic.
we'll mix that all around and let it get nice and aromatic.
Mixing it until it becomes nice and aromatic.
But at this point, it's time to add in our beautiful, leftover, fluffy white rice.
Now I'm gonna add my rice from 21st century.
If you haven't liked and subscribed by now, I don't know what you're
I'm copying your content, Nick, and I liked and subscribed.
doing. Now we finally reached the point for our MSG, and we're going to be generous with it.
Adding my MSG, moist salt granules.
It's time for a little bit of soy sauce,
It's time for sodium liquid.
a nice handful of green onion because I love green onion, and
Red onions because I hate green onions.
right here is where you can normally finish up that fried rice.
So abnormally finishing up the fried rice.
Failure! Now that right there is some fried rice. And
This something is some fried rice. Taste test. It has that flavor of the good fried rice, but not as good as takeout. So
Yeah!
my execution is 6.69 out of.
We're making Kylie Jenner's viral ramen hack.
Let's make Kylie Jenner's ramen. I like her in a way. I don't think I have that jet engine, so I'm gonna use my normal stove. I really don't have the wok, so I'm using this one. It looks like a wok, but it don't have this handle. The byproduct of 2 hydrogen atoms threesomed with oxygen. Noodles and the broken. Don't waste anything.
Now the noodles almost cooked, strain off the water.
Let them cook until they cook.
2 eggs.
Adding a single egg.
Give it a mix.
Giving some G-force to make them experience what I experience in this fucking thing.
Add butter. Now add your seasoning packet.
Adding my seasoning packet.
Finish it off with a bit of garlic powder.
The hydrated garlic for fresh experience.
Kylie Jenner's nudes.
Did I miss something?
you fucked up.
Or this is how Kylie Jenner's nude look like? I know, definitely not like Sydney Sweeney's. It tastes just fine, not that good. I think it's because of my execution.
At last, finally, after procrastinating few months, I finally made this video. To be honest, I was gonna quit YouTube, but previous video did so well. Like, it got 1400 views and 20 likes, and that's not too much, but it motivated me a lot. This is life where motivation is everything to do anything. I wish everyone to have a nice day and achieve what you want to be in your life. For me, it's just to live happy. Subscribe, please.